my channel ZA Plantopia. So this is the part 2 video of the previous cactus and fairy garden video, and so the first part was we talked about the TLC for the cactus, and now we're going to do the fairy garden. And as usual, remember my special guest for the video part 1, he's here again. Max is the greatest. Say hi, Max.
Hi.
What are we going to do today?
We're gonna make a fairy garden.
This is his idea to make a fairy garden. He gave me the idea of making a fairy garden because we were going to talk about cactus care, and so here are the things we need. So I'm not sure about this blue stones. This one I might use it, but let's see. Okay, and this I'm going to use as at the bottom layer of the garden, and this on the top of the soil. This is just some floral moss. Again, I might use it, might not use it. It depends on how it looks. So these 4 things I got it from Dollar Tree. You can get it from there. And now over here, this one. So this house, a very cute house I got from Dollar Tree too. And there were many options. There were like this tulip and a cactus house and an apple house. Max said he wanted to use this because he likes mushrooms, right, Max? Yeah, so he's going to use this. And so why I said I might or might not use the blue stones is because after I put in the plants, if I don't have space, I will use this, which I got from Dollar Tree too, or if I have space, I will use this for the water area to show water. And these are the small characters. If you come close, these small characters, I got it from a restaurant, and the restaurant is closed sadly, but it's from a Vietnamese restaurant. So Max wanted to use the 3 wise men. These are like 3 Chinese wise men. In the Asian culture, it is very auspicious because this is for happiness, this is for prosperity and longevity. So, and the plants. So these are the moon cactuses I'm going to use. So initially I planted them in these cups, but I'm not very happy with the way it looks. It's not staying properly, and it looks a bit, I'm not too happy with it. It's slanting, and I thought I better use this for a fairy garden. And that's again my son's idea when I said I wanted to repot them. So he's got good ideas. So these are the plants I'm going to use, and from these 2 for sure I'm going to use this. This is again my son's selection. I'm not sure what this plant is called, but he likes it because of these things. I don't know what they're called, but he calls it the Kraken plant because it looks like the Kraken in Transylvania Part 3. Yeah, the Kraken. So he wants to use this. And this looks really cute. I'm not sure if there's going to be space because look at this, how big it is. So let's see. And this again, my Max likes this, so I'm going to use this for sure. So this for sure, this I'm not sure. So let's start, and I'll be making the video. So let's see. So I'm going to wear gloves for sure because the cactus, I don't want it to get hurt. So
How about me?
Max, you can wear gloves too, but let's see. So first we need to, there is, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you where I got this from. I got this from a garden center. So I'm in Winnipeg, and I got this from Lacoste Garden Center. It's a really cute one. They had many sizes. There's a smaller size, there's a medium size, and they had a bigger size. Now I'm thinking I should have got a bigger size. Max, I'll wear that, baby. You're not going to touch the cactus, so I will wear this. You can help me with the other stuff. You don't need gloves for that. What do you say? Yeah? Okay. So let's start. Now let's first, Max, do you wanna put this, we're gonna just put one layer of stones so the drainage hole doesn't get blocked. Do you wanna put it gentle? Yeah. Oh, you got. So I'm just gonna, like I said, you can use cactus mix. So I'm just gonna tilt it like that.
What? Why are you tilting my cactus?
Gotta take it out. I did not water it, so the soil is quite hard.
You didn't water my
I didn't
cactus.
water it for 2 weeks now.
What?
So I just
2 weeks?
see the top is, yeah, it's pretty dry. I was a bit worried because this is a cup and it doesn't have a drainage hole, so I don't water very frequently, and I'm happy to see that it's quite dry inside. If it wasn't dry inside, I would have been a bit worried about the roots.
You're
so
using all the
just
mud?
bear with me. I might fast forward this in the video if it takes too long. So just get them. So you see what I told you, the roots are not too deep. It's very shallow because they are from the desert and they just soak up the soil as soon as the water as soon as they can before the water goes too down. So this is Max. He's putting the white stones for me. I'll sit down. So see how he's helping me finish. Stream. So now my son wants the 3 Chinese characters. It's very auspicious in Feng Shui. So according to the Feng Shui, you have to go. So this is happiness. This is prosperity and longevity. So you have to put it in the order. The order should be. This one comes to the left. This one in the middle and this one on the right. Okay, so how do we place them? Where do we place them? Do you think it will go along with this theme? I don't know. Will it go with this theme, Max? Where do we place them? Here?
No. Where we bad place?
Then there, right? Hey, don't press it down. Just show me where you want to put it. I'll put it. You're blocking the house then. You block the house. Let them be here in the front, okay?
What?
Yeah, I think that's the best.
Then you're doing the wrong of it thing.
Yeah.
You're putting the wrong of
Oh,
it.
sorry. Prosperity should come here. You're right. My son knows more better than me.
You want to put wrong of it, folks.
No, this is the order. Always happiness should come first. According to Feng Shui, there's a proper way of placing them. And you have to place them in this order. So happiness first, prosperity and longevity. And you have to always place it in a higher up area. So I'm going to put this on top of my piano. So it's elevated, so an elevated area, and don't ever put it facing a bathroom or next to a toilet or a kitchen. So those are the few points in Feng Shui. So we're going to put them 3 here. Let's move this
How
here.
about the blue rocks?
I think should we put the blue rocks or should we just put this here?
Blue rocks.
Now this doesn't look nice here. Let's put some blue rocks. I want to put blue rocks, like a little bit of water coming from. I'll do. Max,
do some blue rocks.
Wait. Can I do it? Maybe I'll put it like here, the water. A little bit of river.
Put some.
Now, if you have a spoon or something, you can use it
Put
to
some for the Kraken.
direct it.
The Kraken one to go.
I'll cut panikani.
It's okay.
Rolling.
So this is what's the product we did. Finished, not finished. So if you can see the 3 wise men, I kept it in the middle. Okay, I'm going to turn it. Hopefully nothing's going to fall. So you guys can have a better view. So here it is. So this is his Kraken here and the octopuses, and I used the blue stones. I didn't use this because it was not looking good. So I used the blue stones to give it a more better look and a little pop. And this is still slanting. And what else? So I had the 3 wise men. I put them in the.
Mommy.
I put them in the front.
Mommy.
So we were thinking of using these characters, but I think it will look too overcrowded. These characters might look too overcrowded. So we're going to put these deer. Where do you want to place this one, Max? Like how about over here? How does it look from this angle?
Let's put it. Oh,
You tell me, I'll put it. It might fall. Tell me. Not at the back, Max. This is the
let's
front.
make
See?
it high.
I think I will place
It's like
him
when it's a predator coming.
here,
No, when a predator.
next to the lake. River.
When a predator.
And the baby one.
When a predator's coming, make him higher.
Baby one right next to the daddy. So this is supposed to be Bambi. Bambi and his dad. So we place them here. Max wanted them in here. Oh, stay. They've come for a drink. Yep. That's it. So I don't know if it's visible. The Bambi and this one visible. Yeah, that's it. This is our finished fairy garland. You just clean it up a little bit so it looks nice. So I use the blue stones for a stream of river. And Max, come, tell about your fairy garden. How is it?
Awesome.
Awesome, you like it?
Yeah.
So everybody, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and press like, and we'll come again with more videos. And if he brings up more innovative and more creative ideas, like I will put those make a video on those too. But look out for more videos on plants for sure. I'm going to show you my collection of calatheas and collection of tradescantia, and one more collection I have is begonia rex. So I'm going to make more videos, watch out, and monsteras too. So watch out for our videos. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and always stay happy, be happy. God bless you. Bye.